you just like to do around the room of what your biggest takeaway was today?
I'll go
Dale.
first. Yep. My biggest takeaway is I'm trying to work towards building a self-managing business, which makes my business more saleable and worth more down the track. So I got a great idea to work on putting a compliance person in, so it frees up my time.
Woohoo! Anyone else would like to share a biggest takeaway?
Oh,
Wendy.
Am I muted? No. Right, we're good. My biggest takeaway is, especially people like, and seeing it tonight, Dale, when all the different industries or businesses come together, and like in my industry, we have to use compliance all the time. You might not have thought of that, but how that's benefited you. Vera, with terminology and words, with how you want to present and sell your business, talk more about you, things like that. It's just really great being around all these businesses and seeing how you can pick up skills and use ideas from other businesses that you didn't think that you could implement into your own.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks for sharing, Wendy. Thanks for sharing also, Dale, by the way. Anyone else? It's optional. It's not compulsory.
Yep. Well, I suppose my biggest takeaway really is to try and focus on these subscription boxes, but call them something different. And Dale had a really good suggestion to me as well, is to look into these reoccurring invoices. So I'm going to look into that.
Awesome.
Like it.
Anyone else?
What about you, Fleur?
My biggest takeaway, oh my goodness, I just love this. I love working with you guys. I just feel so energized. And this, I just said to Em, this is just a place of joy for me, to bring you all together and to listen to how you work together. I just love giving, and I just love creating this community and this environment for you. That's what does it for me. So, I can build this community with the current structure, as in Emma and I, with 60 members. We would just run multiple sessions. We can only take 12 people in one session at a time for us to be facilitators, but we can run 5 sessions on the Tuesday every month. So I'm keen to get us to 60 members, and then for me to grow, this platform that we're on can grow to 200. But I will make that decision once we get to 60, then I'll need to bring in other facilitators. So I'm really excited. So thank you for coming and playing. And Phil, that looks amazing background. You've got some great backgrounds going on.